everyone, I am Ruby from Ruby Artist Studio. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a realistic tomato, and for this purpose I'm starting with red color, and I'm going to put this red color all over the tomato where they have some shades of red. We have to be a little bit careful where we are basically starting with a very strong color like red as the first layer. Sometimes it's even better to start with some milder color and then putting the more strong one on top. But for the tomato video, I wanted to take a little bit risk and start with red immediately, and then it requires a little bit of more time and more patience. There are some very small details that make the drawing realistic at the end. So for example, how we are showing the shadow and how we are showing different surfaces. So we want to take care of them very much in detail in this specific drawing. Most of the time only using one color. Even the shades are very similar, one color will not give us the look that we want to in drawing. So sometimes it's even needed to use several red colors that are very similar to each other, but still they make a little difference. So for example, now here I'm using the red that has some brownish pigments on it, and then I'm putting it on top of the normal red color. So this will give a better look at the end to the drawing. Always try to check your reference picture and try to be as close as possible to that. But if it doesn't happen for some reason, don't get disappointed. You always have the chance to improvise a little bit and try to make your drawing as good as possible. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Please don't hesitate to share your drawings with me. I will be very happy to see them, and also all your suggestions and comments are more than welcome. See you in the next week video.